Unveiling the weather, it's a drizzly day, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind a commonly used weather-related phrase. It's a drizzly day. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English skills, understanding these phrases can help you express yourself more naturally. So, let's get started and explore what this phrase really means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. First off, let's break down the phrase, "It's a drizzly day." This sentence is made up of a few components. "It's" is a contraction of "it is," serving as our subject and verb. The key term here is drizzly, an adjective describing the type of day it is. But what does drizzly mean? Drizzly refers to light rain falling in very fine, mist-like drops. It's not a heavy downpour, nor is it completely dry. A drizzly day is one where you'll experience this light, misty rain that can feel like a gentle spray. You might wonder, when is the perfect time to use this phrase? "It's a drizzly day" is best used when you're describing the weather, especially in casual conversation or when planning outdoor activities. For example, you might say, "You might want to bring an umbrella. It's a drizzly day." This phrase can set the mood of the day and help others prepare for the weather conditions. But there's more to it than just weather talk. Describing the weather using specific terms like drizzly can also enrich your storytelling. Imagine setting a scene in a story or describing a day in your diary. Using precise weather terms adds depth and atmosphere to your narratives. To truly understand what a drizzly day feels like, let's try to visualize it. Imagine you're walking through a park. The sky is overcast, with a blanket of gray clouds covering the sun. You feel a fine, misty rain on your face. Not enough to soak you through, but just enough to warrant a light jacket or an umbrella. The air is cool and fresh, and the rain brings out the earthy smells of the park. This is the essence of a drizzly day, subtle, gentle, and refreshing. We hope this exploration of "it's a drizzly day" has not only expanded your vocabulary but also helped you appreciate the nuanced ways English allows us to describe our world. Weather phrases like this one are fantastic tools for connecting with others, sharing experiences, and bringing our stories to life. Remember, every drizzly day has its own beauty, and now you can talk about it confidently in English. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Stay curious, and see you in the next video.